Hello guys, today we will learn how to create images in Bing AI. I will be using a mobile phone, but you can also use a desktop by following the same steps. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First, open your browser and search for Bing AI. Then open the official website. After that, make sure to sign in or sign up. Once you're logged in, you will see an interface like this. At the bottom you can see AI generated images, and in the prompt box you simply need to enter your prompt and click on create. Now wait a few seconds and our image is ready. It looks very beautiful. Below the image you can also see similar related images. Let's download the image by tapping on the download button. So guys, this is how to create images using Bing AI. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and share it. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.